This video shows how we can use UCS and Plan to rotate the view. If we type UCS, this will allow us to create a user coordinate system, and we can use the options listed down here. So one of the options is object, and you can select like a line or a polyline, and then you can see that the UCS is then applied to it. If we want to rotate it, so X is to the right and Y is up, we can type plan and press enter for current, and then it's going to rotate it. And so now our UCS is X to the right and Y to the north or up. Since we don't typically want to work in the UCS, we can do UCS and do world. And so now the UCS is back to world, but my view remains where it is. If you select an object that has elevation to it, like this line, you may not get the desired view, but in this case it appears to work as expected. But we can do UCS and set it back to world. There's also D view, and then you can select objects and then twist it, and then you can like eyeball it. But using UCS and Plan together, that tends to be a little bit easier.